Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. We don't need a holiday or special event to enjoy a cocktail, but it's always nice to have a few good ones. I'm a martini girl and I've already shared a couple of recipes with you, like my chocolate grasshopper and blood orange. Now, let me show you how I made this classic one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my dirty dry martini. It's dirty and dry all at the same time. Using dry vermouth and a splash of olive brine, this is a classic cocktail to enjoy anytime. Oh, and don't forget to garnish it with a couple blue cheese stuffed olives. So my friends, let's get mixing.
So, in a mixing glass, we'll add a few ice cubes, then vodka or gin, whichever we prefer, followed by dry vermouth. Now, this is when things get dirty. We'll pour in some olive brine. Alright, maybe not so bad. Then we'll put on the metal tumbler, give a little tap to secure it in place, and shake it for 30 to 45 seconds. Technically, we're supposed to stir it, but I'm the female version of that popular British spy, so I prefer shaking it. If you don't want to have any little shards of ice in your cocktail, simply stir it. We'll place a strainer and pour it into a martini glass before garnishing with 2 or 3 blue cheese stuffed olives. A word of advice, keep the olives nearby. And my friends, this is our dirty dry martini. My take on this American classic cocktail goes down so smoothly. It's not only easy to make, but also quite refreshing. Now, if you really want to bring it up a notch, you just have to serve it with my blue cheese stuffed olives. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com. Find great amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!